Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix you have denied access to your device on Om TV. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, once you go to your web browser and type in om.tv, you will find this kind of interface, right? So there are only two device access required for you to access it. First is, for that you need to simply go ahead, locate to your left side of the screen and tap on this camera icon, and the permission that you need to provide is camera and microphone. Once you have toggled them on, likewise, then you have allowed the access, and then you can now swiftly use the Om TV on your website, on your laptop, or on your web browser. Likewise, you can just go ahead and allow those two access, and you can start using it, chatting with the people likewise, and that's all it takes. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you